I'm going to make 5 Arles bedrooms in a blender.
Nearly finished.
Steel architecture.
I can't finish it while it's under construction.
Now that we have the left door, I made the right door the same way. I will make a door collection in the room I am making in Goichi. Append the door. From the collection created in 44, append the right and left door collections. You can also open and close the right door. The left door is okay. The mirror plate on the right door is. I changed the shape of the left door. Add a plane. Paste to elevation view in edit mode. Make a duplicate in object mode. Duplicated plane. Secure one to a smaller frame that aligns perfectly with the groove.
Thank you very much.
Plane 1 duplicate plane. Make 2. Stick to the frame of the raised part. Plane A2 and plane to knife project 1. Move it in the X direction. Rename original plane to mirror plate. Put the panel in edit mode. Flat surface of groove portion. Select one. Let's take a -X perspective. Select all end plates. Continuously flat. Select one. Let's take a -X perspective. Click knife projection from mesh. Flat surface on end plate. One is cut, vinegar. Great! The depth of the groove. I pushed it out. Flat surface of raised part. Display 2. -X, make it a point of view. Click on the mesh knife projection.
Achievement at any time.
The cut part. Exciting minutes with GX. Move it.
A day!
With a knife tool. In the 4 corners of the exciting part. In 2 places where no edges have been created. Make a cut.
So...
Move to the door position in the floor plan. Make a vertex on the center line of the door. 3D place the cursor.
Look at you!
In edit mode, add a mirror from the modifier to make the other side. Apply in object mode. Return to edit mode again. Fill the sides with
I'm going.
Interruptions. The upper end plate duplicates this. I adjusted the dimensions.
Already!
The 5 pictures don't show the key. If you don't have a key, suspicious people will come in. Put on the key that came out on the internet. Refer to diagrams on the internet. I have drawn and imported the drawings. Add the cube from object mode. The main body as is. Enter the seat size in the transform panel in the sidebar. If you change an object in object mode, apply the transform. In edit mode, match to the floor plan. Bevel the seat. There are probably many ways to do it. This time, cut the sides with a loop cut. Move the top, make it move. Take the loop cut to the bottom. Dimension. Move it in GZ. Click Move Origin to Geometry. I moved it to the center. I moved both sides one by one to the position of the drawing. Leveling the corners. Fillet segments to 5. I want the fillet on the top to be small. This one by one. Shrunken. The size of the front. As enter the number in the displayed operator panel. Matched. Make a receiving part. Organize the collection. The drawing has been imported. Make it a local view with slash. I have hidden everything other than the parts. As usual, it was imported full of vertices, but it's dissolved to a fillet with fur. I pushed out. Return to global view.
Times.
Move to drawing position with X. I made a duplicate and moved it to another position ahead. I'll save it here.
Yes!
I want to make a soldering or welding joint, so I tried synthesizing it with that boolean. I couldn't. Reopened.
Watcha watcha heaven. Either way.
I just imported the drawing of the fastener joint. Convert to mesh. I made it a local view. Because the vertices may overlap, I'll merge it. Fill with height. I pushed it out. The owner's department with a knife. Cut. To shape, select the 3 sides of the top surface. I lowered it to the bottom. I deleted some unnecessary parts. I lowered the other as well. I moved to that height. Name. Stop what? Change next. I made it look like that. The name of the collection. To distinguish it from the receiving metal fitting side, I put on KM. Wood screw fasteners. It's easy to make with UV9. Align the front to the drawing. Apply the scale. Apply a smooth shade. Move to the position of duplicate. Put it in 4 places. Move to the height of. I removed the bottom half. It seems that the size of this top plate was wrong. I fixed it. Make a piercing body. I read the drawings for now. Fill and adjust the position for depth.
Yes?
Thick, with a smile. I returned it to the drawing position. I made a notch in the bent part with a distribution tool. Using the nail tool, I filled the segments into 3. I poured water on it. Make a prototype of the pusher. I have imported the drawing for this part. And parts made of iron plates. It looked like it had been welded to the dry wipe, so it's preparation. This is a Boolean frame for die cutting. I immediately applied it and molded it. Make a push hand. Take in the drawing of the push handle part. Work with the curve. Modify the curve to match the mold. We'll match them one by one. The handle doesn't come out at the point of the curve, so I put it out. Set the spline type from curve in the edit mode menu. If you make it a page, the handle will appear. Maybe it's better not to mess with the handle in the first place. While failing, I managed to find a shape, so I changed it to mesh. Since it is targeted, I pulled it out and aligned the points in the center. Also in object mode, we added a defier mirror to take the shape of a pusher. Use it to thicken it by solidifying. Mosquito. It's rattling, but it felt handmade. Apply. I joined it without gaps. I tapered the tip and blended it in. I applied automatic smoothing. I rewrote the name. Make a welded part.
Yes.
Import the drawing and shape it as it is. Thank you very much. Build it and push it out about the width of the wipe. Fine adjustment by visual inspection.
Feeling.
I made it smooth. I rewrote the name. The bracket was loose due to a mistake, so adjust it. Make a pin. Reduce the cylinder. Move to drawing position. Fillet. When installed on the door, gravity moved the can opener down. Next to the origin of the foundation. The position of the crank with the gap is the movement range. The application of dance forms is some kind of error occurred. I made full use of it and added empties for movement to create a parent-child relationship with Kanuki. To add movement restrictions with object constraints to Campty, first, measure the numerical value of the movement x.
Yes.
Enter the previous number in the x maximum of the added table. The pullout now moves within the limited range.
Messy heaven. Way! If anything, Mom is the best.
Lane.
Referring to the internet, I have included the drawing of this shark castle, which I wrote randomly. It is made from an external key called a cylinder with a keyhole. Make it with the default cube. This shark-like collection, inside it we make a cylinder collection and put a cube. I changed it to the dimensions written in the drawing. Add a subdivision surface. I made it an ellipsoid. Adjust it with Esh. In edit mode, shape with loop cuts. I cut a loop on the screen and used GZ as an example of the bottom plate. For the time being, first narrow it down with S. I made it tapered. Then put the loop cut in the top and middle. Lower the top to the middle. Shrink with S. I made the upper board part. In object mode, I scaled it with S. Make the raised part of the cover with a cylinder. Dimensions.
Masu.
I put in automatic smooth.
Yes.
Put a loop cut. Make the top tapered. Trying to bevel here. I noticed. Applying the transform. Level file. In order to smooth the interior and the raised part, I used an add-on called Merge Master. When you do a joint, I tried various mesh discharge setting nodes, but it was cumbersome, so I chose this one. I don't know how to use it yet, but I can play with the numbers randomly. Check for subdivision. I was able to glue it easily and nicely. Modifiers have been applied in order from top to bottom. Give it a random name. The main body with a keyhole. To make a hole to put in, add cylinder. Boolean and drill the hole. Cylinder body with keyhole. Make it with a column. Enter dimensions. Transform apply. It is the same flow as automatic smooth. I put it in edit mode and fillet it in level. I took in Kagianas. In edit mode, push out appropriately. Smooth. There was Kurian Katara, because I got some weird wrinkles. Automatic smooth back. Automatic smooth after suggestion. The base of the scaver is also Boolean. The surface of the case and the main body interfered and became glare. To eliminate Hiragira, I scaled down the main body a little. The keyhole is pulled out, because I couldn't do it. I lowered the Aguiana Boolean and pulled it back out. A little wrinkle on the back. It's done.
Well,
the work divided drawings have already been imported. This is with the latch notch on the door. I made it simple. Make it from the attachment body. A cross-sectional drawing is included. I made a rotating body with a screw from a modifier. Added and applied smooth and subdivision surfaces. By adding a cylinder, I was patient. I made the lever with UV key. I made it into a lower bump shape.
Yes.
I removed half. Added and applied smooth and subdivision surfaces. Move the lever.
Pencil?
By adding parent. You can write the rotation limit. Lock the right door. Breakout lock. Append. Disable the cutting position limit. I checked the installation position on the screen and entered the numbers. During fixing, the pull-out receiver is enter right and RD will be. The crank bolt is. I put it in the open close RD. Parented with a pencil on the door turn, yes. For some reason, the penetration is not following. Applying the transformation of the penetration that did not move. Align the directions by rotation. Move to meter. Click the eyeball of the power supply. Make the owner a local space. Reset to the position limit value.
Yes.
I reset the tangent. I named the sective. Thumbturn. I will when I appeal. Click Scene Collection. Clear the data. Disable the constraint. Angled, move to mounting position.
Yes.
Apply the Thumbturn rotation. Put inside the rotation RD.
Yes.
Parented with empty RD. Repair. Reset the rotation limit value. Make it local space. I can't operate it well. It looks like it's probably done, so... Open the door and test it.
Yes.
I'll say it's okay. Deadbolt appends.
Yes.
I adjusted the angle and moved it to the mounting position. This is not shift. Right-click menu. It was good to duplicate the collection.
Compound.
If you made it, frame and secure. The door side is MP parent with tiered. Boolean the side notch. I have hidden unnecessary data. Cylinder change. Angle. Adjust the degrees and take them out. Move to the installation position. I put it in the open close RD and appended it.